Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by playing the video you want to keep running. This establishes the active stream. Once you have playback and quality set, make sure your phone's screen lock timeout is not about to trigger immediately. If using a browser, switch to desktop mode if needed, and if using the app, pause and resume to ensure the session is registered. Keep your device charged or plugged in to prevent aggressive power saving from killing audio during background playback. Now you enable background playback using the method that matches your device. If you have YouTube Premium, toggle background play in settings. This is the simplest route. On Android browsers, request desktop site and start playback, then lock the screen. Music often keeps playing. On iPhone, use picture-in-picture or the Control Center play button after initiating audio in Safari. If those fail, opt for a trusted third-party app or extension designed to allow background audio. Check permissions and battery exceptions. Finally, lock your device and confirm audio persists by checking headphone, lock screen, or Bluetooth controls. If audio stops when the screen locks, go to Settings and disable battery optimization for the YouTube app or browser. This prevents the OS from pausing background tasks. Once done, reboot the phone if behavior persists and make sure the app or OS is updated. As a last resort, subscribe to YouTube Premium for official background play support, which eliminates most compatibility hassles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.